Day 2 of building GhostBoss in public. Today was a testing day. The goal of today was simple, to see if GhostBoss could take a founder from planning to execution. And honestly, a lot worked. I tested the flow from mission brief approval to operational plan generation, to requesting changes, to getting operational plan version 2 approved, and then moving into real daily execution. Once the plan was approved, GhostBoss generated the task 1. I completed task 1 with proof, and GhostBoss accepted it, updated the execution score, updated the streak, and generated task 2. I then tested the blocked flow. I reported that I couldn't complete task 2 because I couldn't find enough people to message. So GhostBoss responded with a recovery task, which is exactly what I wanted. Instead of just telling me to try harder, it backed me up one step and gave me a more achievable recovery task. Then I completed the recovery task and moved GhostBoss. GhostBoss moved me forward again. So the big win today was that the core execution loop was working. The core execution loop is plan, approve, execute, complete, and get scored, and then get to the next task, report blocked, recover, and then keep moving. That's the heart of GhostBoss. But today also exposed some bugs. The app and email don't fully match yet. The email gives a much richer daily briefing, but the app is still showing a shorter version of the task. So that definitely needs to be fixed because the founder should see the same instructions on both. The timeline also isn't showing the full task history the way I want and the way it used to. So you kill one bug, another pops up, you fix something, and then another thing breaks that was already fixed, but that's what happens during a build. Anyway, it should preserve the whole execution trail, not just the current task. So there's still some UI issues where the backend finishes generating the next task, but the app doesn't always automatically update without manually doing it and without refreshing it yourself. But this could also be due to our current stack that we're using, and that's going to probably be resolved when we switch to a more robust database model, which is on our timeline, once we get everything stable. So today wasn't perfect, but it's exactly what we needed. The core engine works. That's excellent to have confirmed. Now the job is tightening the experience so it feels reliable, clear, and consistent. That's super important. So tomorrow I'm going to keep working through the execution loop, fix the app email mismatch, which is important, and then make sure the timeline becomes a true record of the founder's progress again, because it used to, but it looks like it broke. So day 2 is done. GhostBoss is officially moving from planning into execution. If you want to join our upcoming beta tester team, you can do so at ghostboss.co. Execution over motivation. See you tomorrow.